Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are solving questions on midpoints. So let's see how to solve the given question on the board. So it says state the coordinate of the midpoint of the line joining in brackets we have -1, 3 and 5, -4. So we have let's call the point to be P and Q. P is -1, 3 and Q we have 5, -4. So from our formula we have midpoint is equals to s2 plus x1 over 2, y2 plus y1 over what? Over 2. So of which this is x1, s2, x1, y1, s2, y2. So we have x1, x2, we have 5 plus x1, x1 is -1, that will be 5 plus -1 over 2, brackets, minus, y2 is -4, plus, y1 is 3, we have plus 3 over 2. So we have this equals to 5, that will be plus times minus, we have minus, we're having 5 minus 1 over 2, and -4 plus 3 over 2. So which is equals to 4 over 2, -1 over 1. So we can cut this, we're having 2 here, we're having 2, -1 over 2. So that is a midpoint between the two locations, or the 2 points P and Q. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class we're moving to another part. See you in the next class.